Everyone, this is Nigel. Many of you might know me as the host of the Reaching Up Show, but in this video I wanted to take the time to talk to you a little about a brand new program we start called Mastering English. We've developed this program because many of our supporters and many of my fans who've been looking at the Reaching Up Show have been asking us, can you help me to speak English? This is why we've created the Our Mastery program. The goal is to help you to speak English better, and we're not going to do it the old way. Many of you might not know, but by trade, I'm actually a school teacher, a psychiatric counselor, and an author. That's what I went to school and studied. My associate is in education, my undergraduate is in psychology, and I'm finishing my master's in public health. And I wanted to take the time to tell you a little about learning English and speaking English confidently, fluently, and in the shortest amount of time. You see, our program is not like the regular textbooks that have all the thick lists of words where you go and learn all of these words repetitive over and over and over again. But we wanted to focus on learning phrases. When you learn a phrase, you get to learn how the word is used. An example, to throw. If I were to tell you, I will throw away something, I tell you the use, to throw away. Using it there as a phrase, you get to understand the word throw being fused with another word to make a phrase and better communicate with you. I can throw away an opportunity. I can throw away precious jewels, or I can throw away garbage, all using the very same phrase, throw away, but each with a different context. So what we'll teach you is using phrases that makes your understanding of English language contextual. In that way, you'll speak fast, you'll speak fluent, and you will get to master the language, learning it from the inside. Secondly, we'll use assimilations. Our assimilations are mini stories where you'll get to see interviews, dialogues of real life stories. It's not a textbook where we go through it and read to you a long, boring story and you have to imagine. It's important that you understand how these assimilations work, because through assimilations you will get to learn how the word is used, how the language connects, and the different stresses and intonations that are being used. And in doing that, you get to do thing number 3. You get to listen. If you wanted to learn to speak English, you must train yourself to listen to English. Listen to native speakers of English. I am naturally a speaker of English, but my accent is from Guyana, South America. It's the only English-speaking country in South America. So when I came to the US, I had to learn the American English. I spoke in Guyana British English. The words spelling were different. The use of some of the slangs were different. In fact, once I remembered whilst teaching at a school in Silver Spring, I was speaking with a fellow teacher and I told him that I feel so tired. He said, "Are you feeling stoned?" The word stone in America means you smoke weed or you use drugs and you're high. In the Caribbean, if I'm tired and I